In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export with presets in Lightroom Classic. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to send photos out of Lightroom using ready-made settings without digging through the full export dialog. Start by selecting the photos you want to export. You can do this in the Library module while you're in Grid View, which is great for selecting multiple images, or directly in the Develop module if you're working on a single shot. In Grid View, click a thumbnail to select it. To select a range, click the first image, then hold Shift and click the last. To select non-contiguous images, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking. You'll see the active selections highlighted, and the film strip at the bottom will also reflect how many images are selected. This is important because Lightroom will export exactly what you've selected. With your photos ready, go to the top menu and choose File, then Export with Preset. This opens a compact list of available export presets, no full dialog, no extra settings to tweak. It's designed for speed and consistency. From the list, pick the preset that matches your need. Lightroom Classic includes several built-in choices for common scenarios. For example, Burn Full-Sized JPEGs is oriented toward maximum quality, exporting high-resolution JPEGs that are suitable for archiving or sharing at full size. The For Email option creates smaller JPEGs that are easier to send and quick to upload, usually with reduced dimensions and file size. You may also see other Lightroom presets that cover typical web, printing, or sharing use cases. Each preset encapsulates choices like file format, image sizing, output sharpening, color space, metadata handling, watermarking, and destination. So choosing one applies a complete set of export rules in a single click. As soon as you select a preset, Lightroom begins exporting immediately. You won't see the full export dialog, and you won't need to confirm anything else. Look for a progress indicator in the top left area of Lightroom to track the export. When it finishes, your files will be written to the location defined by the preset, often a default folder like your Pictures directory or another path specified by that preset. If you're unsure where they went, check the destination that preset uses, or view your recent exports in your File Explorer. That's all there is to it. Select your photos, go to File, choose Export with Preset, and pick the preset that fits your task. It's a fast, reliable way to get consistent results without reconfiguring settings every time.